everyone. I am the traveling sports nerd, and today American football makes its appearance on the channel. I am going to a Detroit Lions game. I'm here with my dad. He's the one doing the camera right now. Just so excited. I mean, I've been to a few Lions games before. It's going to be the first home game in a couple of years. I was at that crap down in Dallas last year, but you know, I love the Lions. What's going on with this team right now is so exciting, and Ford Field is already a special venue to me. I've seen Lions games there. I've seen a women's soccer game there. I got my first ever COVID shot at Ford Field. I've done a lot down there, and really excited to share the place with you. We are super early. I believe the gates just opened a little bit ago, but we have about 2.5 hours of pregame with the gates open before kickoff. So I'll be doing a lot of walking around there. Gonna try and show you as much as I can, and then we'll get to the game. I hope to show you a loud environment. Hopefully we get a Lions win today. And yeah, here in beautiful downtown Detroit, you got some beautiful buildings around here. I love it here so much. I'm so excited to share it all with you. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to it.
Welcome to Ford Field, today's matchup, presented by Geico, between the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and your Detroit Lions. The Lions.
Here come the throws. 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1.
As part of the Zero Implement program, Meyer is donating $1,000 to Alternatives for Girls and awarding fans in Section 244, Row 4, $20 gift seasons in Detroit. He led the Lions to 2 NFL championships, garnered 10 consecutive Pro Bowl selections, made 8 All-Pro teams, was inducted into the Pride of the Lions, and was enshrined in the Pro Football Hall of Fame. Joe's legacy will live on in the hearts of Lions fans forever. To honor him, please bow your heads and join us in a moment of silence.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam?
Heads, and tails. It's your call. Tails is the call. It's heads.
everyone. I am back from the Lions game. Final score, Tampa Bay 20, Detroit 16. I'm filming this actually a few days after the end of the game. You know, football losses, man, they're tough. They're really tough. And I actually wanted to wait a little bit to shoot this video when I'd be in a little bit better mind frame, because man, it is not fun to lose. With a baseball game, you say, well, there's 162 games in that regular season, but with NFL football, there's just so few games and a lot less opportunities to go to games that the wins feel that much sweeter and the losses sting that much more. And so the walk outside of the stadium was definitely it was a bitter one. But in the end, it's still so much fun to go to a Lions game. And my hope for all of you is that you still got to see some of the really fun parts of attending a Detroit Lions game. Got a touchdown in there, got to sing Gridiron Heroes, the beloved Lions fight song. I absolutely love that song, and we only got to hear it once on Sunday, but the way these Lions have been playing as of late, I expect that song will be played a lot more if you end up going to a game in the future. Aiden Hutchinson, the former Michigan Wolverine turned Detroit Lion, he had 4.5 sacks in this game, and he was definitely the highlight of the day for me. I think I got a couple of them in the video here. Those were awesome. Got some great footage of third down. Third down at Ford Field is one of the loudest environments that I've ever been in. I got a couple different clips of third down. It's just unreal. It's so loud. The sound is just bouncing off the walls of Ford Field, and I absolutely love it. And obviously you don't necessarily think about it in the 30 minutes or hour after the conclusion of the game, but with a little bit of time passing, you can look back on those moments and definitely have fond memories of them. Ford Field is just such a cool venue. It feels pretty modern to me, yet at the same time, you have elements of it that feel like intentionally aged. Like, what do I mean by that? There are windows that kind of let some light into the stadium that almost look like they are part of an old industrial warehouse. And I think that's really, really cool. It's got a little bit of hometown flavor to it, The game day atmosphere was fantastic. Even heading to the stadium, it was about a 10-minute walk from the parking deck to the stadium. And there were just hundreds and hundreds of people repping the Honolulu Blue. And we were heading to the stadium around 10:30. This was still 2.5 hours or so to kick off. And just all of this beautiful Honolulu Blue walking around the streets of Detroit surrounding Ford Field. It's such a cool vibe, and I cannot recommend seeing it for yourself enough. Love the old streets of Detroit vibe that's on the lower concourse when you walk in. It feels like you're part of a museum, like you're stepping back in time a little bit. I really love that design element. Makes Ford Field stand out as a unique place in my mind. Just want to give a huge shout out to my mom and dad. My mom is the one that got the tickets for my dad and I to go to this game, and I appreciate her so much for that. Lions tickets are not cheap this year, guys. The expectations are high. That's why it's so tough to see a loss, but tickets are not cheap. So thank you so much, Mom. If she hadn't done that, I was probably just going to buy some standing room only tickets to do a vlog this year. So, very much appreciate her getting me a physical seat for my dad and I. Just so awesome. Very glad I got to share this experience with my dad. He's such a huge Lions fan, and even though the result didn't go our way, we still had a lot of fun together and made some good memories. Cannot recommend going to a Lions game enough. They're good now. Even though we saw a loss, I'm hoping that if you get to a game, you should see a Lions W. That's the hope, at least. Ford Field, a really fun venue, and not much else to say. Just had it's a really cool place to see a football game. American football has now officially made its debut on the channel. One down and a lot more to go. Thank you for watching. I am the Traveling Sports Nerd, and I will see you next time.